I'm seriously in love with these seats.
Feels really nice.
Nice view of the seats from the outside. It took us 1.5 hours. So let me show you what the interior now looks like. We're currently testing the heated seats. We tried the ventilated seats as well. You can see exactly how the seat covers look in daylight. Sparkly clean. So why do a car wash? If you watched our last video, a really big bird or a group of birds pooped all over our car. Well, secondly, we wanted to do a car wash because we wanted to install brand new seat covers. Of course, we can't have another video without another exciting sponsor, right? So today's installation is Tesery's seat covers. We got the really nice looking one in off-white. We're going to show you what it looks like in a second. But before all that, let me walk you through why we made the decision to get a seat cover. This is why we needed to get seat covers. The culprit was Mr. Ian Kim. Look at this. Yeah, this is what I'm concerned about. The ventilated seats. You know, with the ventilated seats, there are little holes on the actual seat for the airflow. The problem is our 1-year-old doesn't know that it's for air. So what he does is shove all of his food and bits of cracker and everything else into those little holes. Literally, he would sit here, face this way, get his little baby food, shove it into the holes, and then stomp it. Do you guys know what waffle stomp is? Yeah, it's like that. Literally, this morning, half of these holes were filled with some unknown...
I do not want to.
Yeah, I do not want to know which food it was. Also, we originally wanted white seats anyway. So this little upgrade will give us a new look that stands out from the rest of the Model Ys that we're seeing around. So yeah, that's the little bit of background. I guess we'll undo the car seats quickly and then we'll get started. Magic! Whoa. Man, this is the amount of stuff we had to remove from the car just to get started. Hi Jess, how are you doing?
I'm good.
It's your turn to be on camera because last time I was unboxing, I hurt my finger.
I'm gonna try my best not to hurt myself.
I'll leave this in your capable hands.
Ooh! Whoa! Hey, looks good.
Oh.
Hey, that's really good. Why is it so heavy? So there's stuff inside. Hey, I really like the color. Oh my goodness, please, I want it to remain white.
Ooh, full on leather smell. Look at these nice seat covers. I swear I can just like hug one of these and go to sleep.
Yeah, it feels really nice.
We watched the installation video. The difficulty doesn't seem too hard, but there's a lot of steps to go through. So rather than show you step by step, we're gonna show you the finished product in a second. So 1, 2, 3. It took us 1.5 hours. It was pretty hectic. Good that I didn't record the whole installation because Jess would have kicked me out of the house.
House? No, garage.
Here's the final product.
Brand new car.
Brand new car, brand new interior. A bit of a before and after. So here's what it looks like from the back. Now we're gonna put all of the stuff back, get the car ready for tomorrow morning.
Which is in a few hours.
Which is in a few hours. But I understand it'll be hard for you guys to see what the car looks like. We also got to test the heated seats, ventilated seats function out now that we have a seat cover installed. So we'll show you what that looks like in daylight tomorrow. Continue watching. Good morning. Happy Father's Day to me.
Oh yeah! Oh sorry. Happy Father's Day.
The whole family forgot about Happy Father's Day until I mentioned it, but it's okay.
I said 오늘 Happy Father's Day. Can you say Happy Father's Day?
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. I love my daddy. I love my daddy. I love my daddy. Yes, I do. He's a kiss and a hug for you. Thank you for the day. Oh, you Happy Father's Day. I I love you, Daddy.
Believe it or not, I started this YouTube channel 1 year ago, and my first long form video was a summary of my first Father's Day of having 2 boys. We've come a long way so far, and it's all thanks to you guys for supporting this channel, so thank you all for watching. I know a lot of you may be dads as well, so happy Father's Day to you as well. But it's now the morning and we're on our way to church. We got tons of daylight, so you can see exactly how the seat covers look in daylight. We think it looks really, really nice. It feels luxurious too, so let's hear from Jess.
I can't say that word. Luxurious. Anyway, it feels really good. And my bum is very warm.
So we've already started testing it. That's not the cops, it's just Ash's police car toy. We're testing the heated seats right now, and on the surfaces that our body actually touches, so wherever we put weight on it, it still feels pretty warm. So there's a tiny bit of reduction in heat from the seats, but it could also be just placebo, I'm not sure. We tried the ventilated seats as well. I'm wearing 2 layers, and I still feel that ticklish wind on my bum and my back, so can confirm the ventilated seat system works perfectly fine with the seat covers, so that's good to know. In general, we think it looks really pretty, much better in daylight, I would say. The cream off-white color blends in nicely with the interior. What are your thoughts, Jess?
Yeah, it looks better in the daylight, but when the car was parked, it looked really, really nice and really expensive.
Yes, the luxurious, expensive feel. You know, stuff we used to see when we look into a friend's Porsche or Genesis, all of those luxurious vehicles. Yeah, really happy with the experience for now.
It feels like we have a brand new car. You know, having that option to change is really, really nice. And I'm really happy that we went for more lighter color. And now I feel like I have a brand new car.
Yes, feels like we have a brand new car. Asha, do you like the new seat color?
No.
Oh,
Do you like black more?
Yeah.
but you can kick now.
키팅해도 돼 이제.
잘하네.
The kids don't want to participate, so we're going to continue driving towards church. We're going to participate in morning service. We'll also share what our day looks like with our brand new seat covers. So stay tuned. So the kids are busy playing and we're busy catching up with lunch. So we're gonna say goodbye here. We're so happy with the recent upgrade. If you guys were also on the fence, I definitely recommend getting it. It's a good functional and aesthetic upgrade for only a couple of $100. Don't forget to use our link below to get yourself a discount. And I guess we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. So I'm out at a nearby park with the boys, rocking my surprise Father's Day shirt. Super Dad. Yes, that's you, Ian.
Boy 1 down. Boy 2 down. Boy 3 down.
Must be the new comfortable seats.